tasks. If I right click on the tasks, I will have a list of all the different types of tasks I've created, meaning the different types of assemblies. If I click on new, I may now create a new assembly. So if I want to create part ABT and the effort, we say it's about 4 hours, I could set the costs, the fixed hours, and then most importantly, I can select the series of parts that I am going to be using to create this one master part. So I will select different parts. I can manipulate the quantities and then add the master part, which we will call the ABT. You can choose the barcode, model, make, style, and the accounting preferences if necessary, if you know that you're going to create this part more than one time. Once I will save and close, I may then set off into my assembly entry. I will select the company I've created this assembly for. I can state a due date, and then I will add the task, which is the ABT, which has just been created. I click on OK, and then I will create the work orders. Customer order and work order are now created. If I go back to my dispatch board, at the bottom we should have the assembly for the ABT available to be assigned to any which one of my employees right here. If I want to print out the details, I can just go back to my ABT. I can print, fax, email my assembly information. Right here. As far as the list of all the master parts I've created, I click right here, and as you can see, these are the different master parts I have created. I can double click on them and I can see how many I have on hand available to me. If I left click on my assembly entry, I will have a list of the history of all the different assembly entries I've created for different type of customers. So as you can see, for the RBC, I had to create a kitchen assembly. And that is my assembly menu in a nutshell.